Hey students, hope you're doing well. I am definitely missing you guys. I drove by Pine Valley earlier this week or last week, I guess, and it was so sad seeing it so empty. And I miss being at work and seeing all of you guys every day. But I hope you're doing well, staying safe and healthy at home, and that you're doing okay with distance learning. As always, email me if you have any questions, if you're having trouble with anything, if we need to set up a Google Meet or like a video conference during my office hours, I'm more than happy to do that with you, or you could just email me too for help. Go ahead and check out the agenda, which is attached to this week's Google Classroom post. It's pretty busy this week. You'll notice that because we're doing the argumentative on demand, which takes 90 minutes, I decided not to have you guys do a Flipgrid this week to check in with your book, so hooray. That's one less thing to do. But definitely still keep reading this week. Just real quick, I'm going to start reading finally Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief. I know I've never read this series. A bunch of you have told me I should read it. I'm finally going to start reading it. I grabbed it from my classroom on the last day that we were there, knowing that we weren't coming back. So I went and grabbed it. And then I was just about to start it this weekend and I opened it and I realized it's from my very first year of teaching. A student donated it to me, Hakeem. I could see his name in here, and it's still alive. I've had to repair it a couple times. So I'm excited to read it. I know a lot of you have been recommending it to me. So again, keep reading this week. Miss you guys. And again, if you need anything, just email me. Okay? Have a great week. Bye.